Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming.
Mate, parking bay is empty if you want to park there.
One parking bay.
It's empty now. You want me to keep it?
No, fuck it, leave it here now.
Yeah? Happy days. Anyway, few boxes, so I'll put on the sack barrow.
Don't bother with the pallet itself.
No, we take on the sack barrow. Yeah.
So put the boxes on the back here.
Yeah.
Like we did before. Don't take the tail lift all the way out. Put the boxes on the back and we'll move
Yeah.
them over. We've got serious trouble.
Wow, what's happened?
He's just fucking snapped.
Wow.
In the door lock.
Wow. Mate, listen.
Handball, there's not enough room for that in the shop, so we'll have to handball.
Yeah. Listen, let's do the job first and then we'll deal with it, yeah?
Cab's wide open. I've got the sat nav in there.
It's wide open. 1 second, stay out. So the cab is open, you say? At least we got the cab open. Can you stay in the cab? Where he wants the stuff?
Right, you just start ordering them in.
No, listen, where he wants the stuff?
Inside in the shop as you
Inside.
go around.
I deal with it, you stay in the cab, eh?
Right,
Yeah? No problem. Fucking hell. And I was just about to say we got a nice day. Yeah, one of them things, mate. So I don't know how we will be able to go out from here unless he got another key in the cab. How he will be able to start the engine, and about the products as well, they will get melted, and about us as well, we're gonna get fucked up. Nice one. Okay, last two boxes. I just need to go slowly because the floor is iced, mate. It's literally so difficult. Wow.
weighed out with fucking...
Show me.
That's been going a while.
Yeah, but how you will be able to turn the ignition on?
Have you got a screwdriver on you?
I don't think so. But how?
Right, just do that, get him to sign it at the bottom,
Yeah.
and then just come back out and then...
Yeah. Don't worry, it's okay. Traffic, okay?
Oh, I'll put these ones through them and then...
Yeah, no problem. Boss, there? Here, yeah?
Yeah.
No problem.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, stay in the cab, mate, yeah? Okay, thank you. Yeah. I don't understand these customers. They come inside but they don't buy anything. One pound they can buy anything, no? No? Okay, thank you. Thank you. My colleague will come to deal with you. Yeah, my colleague will come, yeah. 1 second, man, I'm not finished. Wait for me to finish.
It's like, just up there.
Yeah? I hope it's gonna stay there. Okay.